Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the operation within the GoodX Theatre app. The Operation tab within the theatre booking interface offers a comprehensive overview of essential details related to a surgical operation. This encompasses information on the date and location of the operation, procedural specifics, and insight into the team responsible for conducting the operation. For the purpose of this video, visit the GoodX Theatre app by adding /app/GoodX Theatre at the end of your GoodX web URL and pressing enter. The GoodX Theatre screen will open. Please note that to proceed with the next step, you'll need to create a theatre booking first. Click on a theatre booking panel to view booked operations within a session. To learn more on adding a theatre list as well as adding an operation, please refer to the How to Add a Theatre List using the Theatre app and How to Add an Operation on the Theatre app user manuals, linked in this video's description. Click on the View Operation button to view the Operation tab. We will now take a look at each of the panels which are displayed on the screen. Please note that all of the panels within the Operation tab can be expanded or collapsed for detailed exploration. Click on the Operation Details panel, which will consist of all the completed information regarding the details of the upcoming operation. Click on the Operation Team panel, which will contain the details of the staff members that will perform the procedure. To view the demographic details regarding the booked debtor or patient, click on the Patient Details panel. Once the debtor and patient are booked for the procedure, the demographic details are automatically displayed, sourced from the existing file in your system or the information entered during the operation creation. Editing of these details is not possible, and for individuals without a file in your practice, data is drawn from the details provided when the operation was initially created. For a more extensive explanation on how to edit details within an operation, please refer to the How to Edit an Operation on the Theatre app user manual, linked in this video's description. The Add Images feature facilitates the uploading of pertinent documentation to the operation, such as operation notes, incision photos, and treatment plan notes. Click on the Add Images button. The Upload Image screen will open. Click on the New Photo button to open the camera on your device and take a photograph of the relevant documentation. Once satisfied with the image in the frame, click on the Take Photo button, then on the Done button. Upon returning to the Upload Image screen, you may choose to either take another photo or delete the newly taken photo by clicking on the Delete button. If you rather wish to upload an existing image, click on the Upload button, which will open your local device and make your selection. Once finished with the upload, click on the Done button. If you would like to remove the added image, click on the Delete button. You may add as many images as you'd like to this section. After satisfied with the completed information, click on the Save button.